I'll show you the relative humidity control we've been developing. There's the control unit that you can set everything using this one button. You can set each zone individually or everything together, set the mode to on or off or auto. Then we've got some power supplies in that cabinet, and then we've got the ultrasonics in these boxes. Then we've got some PVC piping going in the roof, going into the warehouse. As you can see, it's very hazy in here already because the fog or the humidity is quite high. We've got some tobacco being stored in those boxes, and the humidity needs to be around 66% in here. We've got another area over here that they'll use to do the grading. Now, just to show you that control unit, we've got a web interface that basically I can remote control everything from here. You can see now the humidity is 64, almost 65, and the target is 66 all over. So if I now change the mode and I make it auto, we'll then hear the units kick in, and we'll start seeing fog being blown out of these holes. There we see the fog is starting to appear, and then that is basically blown into the air to push up the humidity in this room. We also have it on this side, so if we look over here, you see there the fog is being blown out and all the way down this pipe to the end. So this unit basically controls the humidity in here. We've got a water filtration system that just takes out all the impurity out of the water and then into these containers. It's very dusty, as you can see, a lot of dust. It is a farm, very dusty, because these huge doors, when it opens and the wind blows, and a lot of dust, and the tractors move in and out of here. So it should be able, it's very rugged, just plastic containers. If I switch off the units, if I go here and I say off, the ultrasonic switches off, but the fans still go because we want to get the fog out of the pipes. So the fans run for another 30 seconds. You'll see that the fog stops basically there, and it still continues as it cleans out the pipe all the way to the end, and then the fan will switch off as well. You can see the fog dissipates. And there the fan switches off as well. And now the pipe is clean, so we don't have any more fog in the pipe, so we don't have any backflow. I'm just going to switch it back to auto. Everything starts up and we'll get the fog being produced again. There we go. You can see the fog is being pushed down the pipe and distributed all the way. So it's very effective. It's a cool mist, cool fog, and so we use ultrasonics to create a fog, and then we blow it down piping to distribute the fog throughout the room.